Oh, hey, Jimmy Mac.
Hey.
What are you doing there?
I'm going to show you how to clean the glass washers. First step is empty the strainer, dump it out and rinse all the food particles, fruit pieces, anything that might fall out of the glasses that don't get dumped out first. Second step is loosen the thumb screws, remove the wand, and check the spray nozzles for being clogged or clear. If they're clogged, use the machine to unscrew it, take the ends off. Slippery. Same thing on both sides. Just twist the wand, using that as a big screwdriver. Then you can see through the wand and clear it out using the olive sticks. What do you call these?
Olive picks or sandwich picks.
You can push particles through, make sure it's clear. Blow it out, rinse it out, whatever works for you. And then just reinstall. Takes a couple of minutes, but it saves the glasses from breaking, cleans the glasses thoroughly, should help eliminate spots so you don't have to polish as much. And that's it. Goes back together, opposite direction. Pop it back in, tighten the thumb screws, and you're done.
Thank you, Jimmy.